Hi, this is Dave Halberstadt, and I wanted to make a video about week 5 coming up beginning the week of February 6th. But before I talk about week 5, I want to just point something out. At the end of the discussion board for Module 4, which is the end of this week, there's an opportunity for you to provide me with some feedback about how I'm doing as your instructor. It's really important to me you take the time to respond to that, because if I'm doing something you don't like or something that's confusing you, please let me know so I can correct it. If I'm doing some things well, then note those and I'll continue to do them. But your feedback is very important to me, so please provide me with some feedback. It's the very bottom of the discussion board for week 4 or module 4. Okay, week 5. There's no reading for week 5. There is one discussion board question that talks about what are the costs and benefits to employers of being responsive to the applicant's perspective through the selection process. It's basically asking you, what about the applicant's experience in recruiting? How responsive is the organization to the applicant, etc. So that's one discussion board question that's due at the normal times, with your peer responses also due at the normal times. There is the big event for week 5 is an online midterm exam, which is should be under Module 5 in Blackboard. You can take the exam. It's due February 12th at midnight, which is a week from today. Today is February 5th, so you have to have the exam completed and submitted, where there's a submit button at the end of the exam, by Sunday, February 12th at midnight. Now, you can go in and out of the exam, but the critical thing to remember about that is that save what you've done. If you decide to answer the first 20 questions and you've got something else to do, save it so you don't have to redo those 20 questions. I know that because I have failed to save, and when I've done these practice exams myself, and been mad at myself for wasting all that time. So don't make that mistake. And as I said, there's no reading at all for week 5. It's you review chapters 1 through 7, and we'll go from there. So if you have any questions, let me know. I think that's everything I want to talk about for week 5. Again, contact me by email or by telephone if you have any questions, and I'll be glad to help you get the answers or straighten out whatever the issue is or concern. Okay, have a great week.